Today I'm going to discuss about write a program to accept 10 numbers in an array, then check and display another given number found or not with its position using Java language. So let's do it. So right here, this is NetBean ID. Here I will write the code. So click on Files, select New Project. After click new Next button, add here, give meaningful name Java array example 1. So hereafter, let's remove some unnecessary comment first. After this part, now we have to first import package. So write import java dot util dot asterisk. So hereafter, create a scanner class. Scanner sc equal to new scanner system dot in. Now hereafter, take integer type of array variable int a dot r equal to new int. Size I have to give 10. Now take integer type of variable int I am and second is font equal to 0. So let's write for the for I will start from 0. Condition is I less than 10 and I plus plus. Now hereafter write system class out dot print. ln is for new line and add here give in message enter the number that will go to a double r of I equal to sa dot next. Int is for tag cast sc a string tag to integer by using next method. Next int method. So hereafter now write system dot out dot print ln after give meaningful message. So after enter the number which you want to continue. So that will go to and sc dot next and now close this up. So write one more formula for I will start from 0, I less than 10 and use AND operator on double equal to 0 and I plus plus. So here is condition if n double equal to a double r of I. So here condition is true, then bond become 1 and after this I after this I minus minus. Now hereafter I have to write system class out dot print ln. And here give message the given search number is use plus for concatenation with n. And one more system class system dot out dot print ln. This one print message the position of given search number is and by using concat plus operator print I. So I think code is done. So let's execute and see whether I'm getting expected result or not. So first we have to enter the number 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. So total I think 10 number are entered. Now search number 9 I'm going to give 19. So 19 the given search number is 19. The position of given number is 7. So let's check. This one is 0 position 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and now 7. So getting expected output. So hereafter I will discuss the alignment method of this program. So this is a copy code. At your int a$r is array type of integer variable. So this is size is 10 a$r. So hereafter we have variable like. So first variable a$r and second variable is I then third variable is n, and one more variable is font. So font is initialized to 0, and hereafter the control is now for I equal to after initialization of variable and declaration of variable, the control will go to this part for at here I is initialized to 0, and hereafter that will check condition I less than 10 means 0 less than 10 condition is true, so that will come at this point. So look at there first, if I am going to execute this one, so that will enter the number because first terms at that will comes to this point I equal to 0, I less than 10. So system.out.println and enter the number. This message is printing. So at here if I put 12, so A double R of 0 position. At here this is 0 position. The number will store 12. So hereafter if I press enter, then that will ask again questions, because if that will go at this point I plus plus and I is now 1, so that will check the condition 1 less than 10, condition is true, then that will comes this point system.out.println, enter the number, again that will print the message. So hereafter that will comes at this position, at here I increase by 1, now I is 1. So 1 less than 10 condition is true, int system.out.print, enter the number. So I have to enter the number, so that will come this point, and at here I am going to give 13. So hereafter if I press enter, so again that will ask question, I put 13, then if I press enter, then that will ask question, now I put 14. So at two position that will print 14. This is two position, number is 14. Again that will check and increase the value of I. I is now 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So if I is enter 10, so 10 less than 10 condition is false, so that will comes at this position. So at here now I'm don't wanna write all the right position, just 12 and 13, 14. After if I'm going to slash dash 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 till 9 position, I'm going to enter 21. So from here after I gonna reach to 10, that is I reach to 10, I is now 9. So after I reach to 10, so condition 10 less than 10, condition false. So at here this comes to this position, system.out.print, enter the number you wanna search. So at here 14, 15, 16, 16, 17, 18, 19, 21. So at here after when the I reach to 10, so that is condition false. So at here control comes to this position. So system.out enter the number you want to continue, the number which you want to continue, or you here I have to write, I forgot to write, we have to search. We have to search. And here I forget the name search. So hereafter look count. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So when total on interval is 10, so after 10, 0 to 9 total 10. So after 10, condition false, so that control comes to this position, at this position. So then hereafter if I am going to enter 13, so n is now right here, I put 13. To search number is 13. So at here for I will start from 0. So I0 now, at here I less than 10. So I is now 0 less than 10, condition is true, and a font double equal to 0. So font is initialized to 0. So both condition is match. So one thing I like to talk about, AND operator, if any condition false then the condition become false, but by using AND operator, so both two condition will should be satisfied, then that will goes inside the loop. So at here 0 less than 10, condition true. So at here font double equal to 0, font is 0 now. So both condition is true, so that will comes this position. If n is 13, double equal to a double r of I. So I is now 0. I is 0. So 0 position is 12. 12 is there. So condition is not match. So what will happen? So this one means this condition is not met. So this one goes inside there. So hereafter that will comes to this position and I gonna increase by 1. So I is now 1. So at here that will again check. So I is now 1. So 1 at here, this will comes to this position. I is 1, 1 less than 10, condition is true, font still is 0. So both condition is true. If n is 13, double equal to a double r of one position is 13 is there. So condition is matched, then font become 1. Font become 1. So hereafter that will goes again, I gonna increase by 1. So I is now 2. So 2 less than 10, condition is true, and font double equal to 0, condition is false. So this condition is false because font is now 1. So hereafter control will comes to this position. At here I minus minus. So I is now 2. So 2 minus 1 equal to I become 1. So I become 1. At here system.out.print. So the given number is n. N will print 13, and position is, the position of the given number is 1. I is now 1. So at here after 2 minus minus I is become 1. So output is 13 and I is 1. I is 1. So this will print number n, and this will print the position of search number. So this is the logic of this program. If you wanna increase 14, so like this, sorry, if you wanna search 14, so like this program will continue. Right here uh, if I reach 1, then condition 1 true. Then if I reach at 2, then n value and arrow or to position 14 is there. So 14 match, then font become 1. So this condition will false. Hereafter that will comes to this point. This will print 14 and position I gonna increase by 1. So I is become 3. 3 at here I minus minus, so 3 minus 1 is 2. So at here this will 2 become 3 minus 1 equal to 2. So hereafter system.out n will print 14 and at here I is now 2. So position is I is 2. So this is the logic of this program, and so it's done out here. Thanks for watching. See you next video.